Here we are in our CapCut project, CapCut app, and there is a project here. Video we will spill and delete some parts of the video, and let's start. Suppose we are going to delete that right part of that video, so we will click on that button, delete right part. Okay, the right part is deleted here, but we want to if we want to delete some left part of a video, so we will create this left part is deleted. But we don't want to delete any part of a video of this video, but we don't want to delete any part of this video, but we want to split the video. Suppose we are going to split that part of this video. We want to make two part, so we will click on that button here. Okay, this video is splitted here already. That's all the video how you can split or delete any part of a video in CapCut project. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and liking. Thank you so much.